Hello, thank you for tuning in to Mrs. Smalls Tries It All, the channel where Mrs. Smalls tries a little bit of everything and shares with you how it's done. So, I am giving you an update on my garden. When I tell you, my whole feelings is hurt right now. Just really, really hurt. So, I had used these grow plants, the pots that I showed you in the last video. And they were like these nice little terrarium pots. They were plastic, and I'm going to say that's probably where I went wrong. Plastic little pots, and then I would have to take the pot, transfer it from the the little terrarium little box thing, whatever, and put it in the planter thingies and put it inside the dirt. Okay, problem was I was having trouble taking it out the dirt, and I feel like I was probably damaging the root. All right, as opposed to before, what I would do is use peat pots, and with peat pots I would be able to take the whole pot and plant the pot as is. Like, I would be able to plant the pot, and the pot would like break down, and I'll be able to, it'll break down and go into the soil and stuff like that, where I didn't have to worry about transferring roots or anything like that. I didn't have to worry about that. But with this, I had to worry about roots, and I think I damaged them. So take a look at what happened. Two things could have happened: the damage of the root, and then like this extreme heat. But I don't think the heat did anything. But you see this here, that right there, that right there. These were collard greens, collards, kale, broccoli, eggplant. The eggplant, it seems to be the only one that kind of lasted, but that's a kind of, like, it got a little hope going on there. A little. I don't know. All is not lost, though. All is not lost. What I did do, I went back and I planted seeds. So I planted seeds for my eggplant. I planted seeds for my broccoli, for my kale, and back to my collard greens. These are collard greens I had from last year. They're coming back, but I planted the seeds for those. So I'll keep you guys posted. But yes, when I tell you all of my feelings were hurt, I mean, they were seriously hurt. But like I said, all is not lost. I will still have a very prosperous garden this summer, and we'll be able to eat. Thank you for tuning in. Click like and share, and I'll see you next time.